This video will show you how to install the Smart TV backlight. Start by cleaning the mounting surface. Allow it to thoroughly dry before installing. Peel one side of the double-sided tape and place it on the back of the controller module. Adjust the TV sensor to the range that best matches the size of your TV. Then, place the sensor in the center of the screen. Plug in the sensor to ensure the cord reaches your install location. Connect the backlight to the Type-C connection. Peel off the back of the tape and firmly press the tape light to the back of the TV. Do not bend the tape light at the LEDs. Continue attaching the tape light around the edge of the TV. For added support, you can mount the tape light with the included clips. Simply peel off the back of the tape, secure it to the TV, thread the light through the clip, and press down to secure the light. To cut your tape light to size, only cut it on the copper or silver connections. Connect the TV backlight to power. Peel the double-sided tape on the back of the controller module and adhere it to the back of your TV. With the strip light turned off, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the lights flash red, blue, and green to indicate pairing mode. Once your lights are pulsing, turn on your Bluetooth and open the Feit app. Tap to add a device. Go to Add or hit Lighting, then Smart TV Backlight. Confirm the lights are in pairing mode. Hit Next. Wait for the pairing process to complete. Tap Done. Turn on the light. Then go to Sync and select TV.